Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Red Demon Boss by Itanara, a character art set of a little girl with long hair by Shima, a set of colorful weapon icons and sprites by Jotson John, a collection of free music for games by Soundscape. Next we have some plugins, an MV and MC plugin by Tamaki Awana that adds a transparent background image to menu screen, an MZ plugin by Noon that adds HP gauge to enemy battlers, and another one that adds a TP gauge, and lastly, an MC plugin by Gemini that removes blur from menu background and allows changing brightness of the background instead. That is all for today. Or is it?